We'll guide you through how to use Asana and Airtable effectively for your project management needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Asana's website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your projects and tasks. To create a new project, click on the Book Authado New Project button on the top right. You'll be prompted to choose between a blank project, a template, or importing a spreadsheet. Let's select a blank project for customization. Name your project and choose between a list or board view depending on how you prefer to visualize tasks. Now, you can add tasks by clicking on Add Task and entering the task details. You can assign tasks to team members by selecting their names in the assignee field, set due dates, and add subtasks for more detailed planning. Now, let's switch gears to Airtable. Open Airtable's website and sign in. On the dashboard, click on the Add a Base button to start a new project. You can start from scratch or choose from Airtable's templates. Let's go with a blank base for now. Enter the name of your base and click Create. You'll see a grid view similar to a spreadsheet where you can add columns for different data types such as text, numbers, or checkboxes. To create a new record, click on the plus button at the bottom of the grid. You can also change views by clicking the view switcher on the left, allowing you to see your data in a calendar, Kanban, or gallery format. For collaboration, share your base with team members and set permissions to control who can edit or view the data. Both Asana and Airtable offer powerful integrations with other tools, so explore those options to enhance your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.